Hi everybody and welcome to Shakersunday, hosted by Kathy's Favorite Things. Yes, that's right, Kathy's Favorite Things. This is my first week participating. I'm a hands-on person. I don't follow directions very well. I know that Kathy's Favorite Things did 2 or 3 different tutorials. I know that Melodimade made a tutorial, and Kathleen Robinson Mokovich, Kiki, made one for me. I just wasn't getting it. I even went out and bought the acetate sheets, so I have that. And I also bought the 5mm foam and the 2mm foam. And then I have all sorts of different fall paper cuts for paper here. And I still wasn't getting it. I just couldn't get it through my head. So if anybody would like to send me a shaker, I'd greatly appreciate it to see how you put it together to give me some more wonderful ideas. So in the meantime, I went on Amazon and I purchased this. This is a shaker. It's tiny. I mean, itsy bitsy tiny. It is only... Let me see here. 2.5 inches by 2 inches. That's tiny. I guess I didn't know what I was thinking or what I was getting. But it comes like this. And it's got the paper, the 2-sided tape. Let me get it out here. And I thought, well, there. See the white? You peel that off. That's the paper. So what I did is I took some of this, put it backwards like this, and I traced around, and then I cut it out. And then took the tape off and stuck it on. So I'll show you what I got. This is my very, very first one. So don't knock me down too bad. There it is right there. I didn't know how to, I got filler in there and it shakes. I've got a couple of different things. I got some glass gems and I got some jimmies in there. And what I did is I took a little flower and I put a hole at the top and stuck it through. And then I'm going to tie a little ribbon, and it's going to be a tag. I'm not sure for what, but it will be a tag. My first tag. But it's a shaker. So I greatly appreciate it if anybody would like to send me a shaker so I can get it through my thick head on what to do. But I did the easy peasy way out. But it came out okay. It's just not like the others. Some of you all are making beautiful, beautiful shakers. Well, I'd like to say thank you for coming into my craft room today. And my address can be found at the end of this video if you'd like to send me a shaker. And I'll show it to everybody and give you a shout out as well. So, I'd like to say thanks again. Have a great day. Thank you, Kathy. I will put the link in the description box below if you'd like to join for Shakersunday. Have a great day, everybody. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.